coming to you live from Inner the Yard, St. Andrew Park, where Earl Chinna-Smith and the Bingistra movement they call home. Rooted in Nyabingi and roots music, this innovative group has been linking the classical with the contemporary and rooting it all back to indigenous sounds. Today we hear and bear witness to that work, and we'll also be speaking with them about some projects already set in motion, such as Junior Biles' various artists tribute album and other projects to come, including the Joe Higgs tribute concert that's happening this weekend. This first segment of Live Tuesday is brought to you by our kind sponsors: FX Trader, changing the face of foreign exchange; the official caterers of Live Tuesday, Ashanti Oasis Vegetarian Catering. Ask about their vegan veggie balls at all major supermarkets island-wide. And the number you can call is 876-458-9859. Key Mix Audio. The mix is key for PA system and audio support. And don't forget you can watch the live stream by visiting KOOL97fm.com and clicking on the Live Tuesday tile. On the cool stage now we have Earl Chinna-Smith and the Bingistra movement. Of the Ministry of Legal and Constitutional Affairs includes revising Jamaica's legal and constitutional infrastructure and accelerating the pace of reform. The time by the MLCA is 7:15 a.m.
King of Kings, King of Kings is He.
You're inside a segment of Live Tuesday that's brought to you by FX Trader, changing the face of foreign exchange. The music continues on Cool 97 FM.
Machuja. Marlon.
don't try. Still can't make it without you, darling. So don't shout. Hey, we've been over the mountain, and I thought you knew. We've been through the valley. So don't chat. Don't chat, chat. Chat, chat. Chat. Chat, chat. I'm gonna take you by the river, or take you down by the riverside. I'm gonna make you my little bride.
Reminding you that you're inside a segment of Live Tuesday that's brought to you by FX Trader, changing the face of foreign exchange.
Rastafari.
Kickstart your renovation projects at Home and Things. Choose from the best tiles, bathroom fixtures, faucets, windows, doors, and lighting to make your space more functional and beautiful. Find everything you need within your budget at Home and Things, Old Hope Road or Constant Spring Road today. Jamaica builds with Home and Things. The time by Home and Things is 7:30 a.m.
Greetings in the name of the Most High. This is the Inna the Yard, Bingistra Movement, coming to you on Cool FM.
It's Sky.
On this beautiful Tuesday morning, I'm Kai Wakeling.
This week, Live Tuesday on Cool 97 FM goes Inna the Yard, May 28th from 7 to 9 a.m. Naya Bingi meets orchestra, featuring the indigenous, classic and contemporary sounds of Earl China Smith and the Inna the Yard Bingistra Movement. Plus, hear about their Junior Biles tribute album and IBM as the world's newest genre. That's Live Tuesday, Outside Broadcast with Earl Chilla Smith and the Bingy Straw Movement, live from Inner the Yard, St. Andrew Park. It's hosted by Diane Thomas and Michael Thompson, on air and streaming on cool97fm.com. It's brought to you by FX Trader, Ashanti Oasis Vegetarian Catering, Alcavida Alkaline Drinking Water, and Key-Mix Audio. Live Tuesday on Cool 97 FM, getting to the root of the music.
KOOL97fm.com and clicking on the Live Tuesday tile. Coming to you from Inner the Yard, St. Andrew Park. We're still with you inside of Live Tuesday on Cool 97 FM. Back to the music we go with Earl Chinna Smith and the Bingistra Movement.
This is Kaya Wakefield. Bingistra.
down Babylon. So when we think about the song, we're able to get the inner circle to do it. But when we get it back, we get Michael Rose and who again? Freddie McGregor. So they're not here today. So we just get a Bingistra thing. All right, you the same way again.
Remember, you're inside
Check
of
one,
Live Tuesday, and it's a segment sponsored by FX Trader, changing the face of foreign exchange. And we have Alcavita Alkaline Drinking Water. Improve your water, improve your health. Bottled by Health Creation Industries, White Marl, St. Catherine. Telephone 876-649-0386. We're here in St. Andrew Park at Inna the Yard with Earl Chinna Smith and Bingistra Movement. Lady you heard from earlier, Kai Wakeling. Now it's back to Chinna Smith.
Me no like them kind of Babylon. Say me no dig them kind of. Pull up there, please. All right, when we think about this album here, making it for Junior Biles. All right, I'm gonna talk to some local musician. Everybody feels it's like a begging thing. And all right, so I'm just think about the Inner Circle band I played with years ago. So I get Roger on the phone and say, all right, no problem, China. So I'm choose to do this one here, and we're gonna do it. Yes. So I call my brethren, Rajab, original Blackbeard from the Inner Circle. And him do this song. I said, Blackbeard, I don't want no band vocalist, you know. I want you and Tota and Ian sing. So when I get the record, it's Michael Rose and Freddie McGregor. So Inner Circle is not here now, but Inner the Yard is here, and we'll give you our version. Let Jah be praised. Fire. 1, 2, 3, 4, and. We have sung in the house. Say you know like them kind of Babylon. Say you know dig them kind of wicked men. Cause we are righteous and we got the plans. Ayanaya, Ayanaya, Bingistra, Inner Circle. Oh, what a situation. It's cause a revolution and dangerous pollution. Say me not like them kind of Babylon. Cause I just Rastaman. Beat down, beat down. Beat after all these years, Junior Biles been going through whatever from in the 70s, and he's still beating down Babylon. And that's why we do this. In the yard, Bingistra Project, helping the brethren, Junior Biles, because we are still beating down Babylon. And we must know what Babylon is. Babylon is not someone with some red stripe and with some high profile rifle, you know. Babylon is a horrible system that persecute I and I from them time till this time. So, we're still beating down Babylon. Just like that, just like that. Just like that.
A segment brought to you courtesy of FX Trader, changing the face of foreign exchange, and Alcavida Alkaline Drinking Water. Improve your water, improve your health. Bottled by Health Creation Industries, White Marl, St. Catherine. Telephone 876-649-0386. This is Live Tuesday on Cool 97 FM. Coming up at 3 minutes to the top of the hour, we'll have another cool flight pack for you. 8 o'clock, yes, so we will have your time signal, a few commercials, and then we'll be back with more as we do the final hour of Live Tuesday. We're here in St. Andrew Park with Earl Chinnis Smith and the Bingistra Movement. They're entertaining us inside of Live Tuesday in the yard.
Yeah, as I say in the yard, there's a reward for brethren like Junior Biles, Joe Higgs, Alton Ellis, Delroy Wilson. Oh, so many names. Dennis Brown, Bob Marley, you understand, Peter Tosh, Bunny Whalers, the list goes on.
And on, and on, and on. Cause you know when you check it out, this song was done by the father of reggae, you know, Joe Higgs, you know. So we want to pay a tribute, and paying tribute to Junior Biles. And there's also a reward for Junior Biles. So we're going to give it this one by the father of reggae music. Every day my heart is sore, seeing that I'm so poor, but I shall not give up so easily, 'cause I know there's a reward for me. Yes, I know that there's a reward for me. Though my life is filled with pain, I've got no one to blame, but I shall not give up, no way, 'cause I know that there's a reward for me. Yes, I know that there's a reward for me. Sometimes I feel like a motherless child. No one cares for me. I've never had sympathy. Sometimes I look to the world with a smile. Man, you hear what I say. Every day my heart is sore, seeing that I'm so poor, but I shall not give up so easily, 'cause I know there's a reward for me. Yes, I know that there's a reward for me. I want to tell you, you can just tune in and pay a visit to Inna the Yard, 6 St. Andrew Park on June the 3rd. An array of artists singing all the Jewish songs. So I'm inviting you, please come around. It's good for you. Good music, soothe the soul. Sometimes I feel like a motherless child. No one cares for me. I've never had sympathy. Sometimes I look to the world with a smile. Man, you hear what I say. Every day my heart is sore, seeing that I'm so poor, I shall not give up no way, cause
there's a reward for me.
and if you do good,
There's a reward for me.
and if you do bad,
There's a reward for
I know.
There's a reward for me.
Yes, I'm Sangy Davis, you know, and this is the biggest track.
For me.
No musician like Ian on bass, Earl Smith and guitar, bamboo and piano. We have drummers, Gail, Thunder, Time, Mikey, background vocals like Arlene, Gabriel, Kai, and you know the crew's here, Mikey Thompson and the rest of the crew. Every one of them reward, just do good, you know. Oh yeah. I know now. There's a reward for me. There's a reward for me. I know the drummer, Emmanuel, can't forget him. Blessed. And the crew.
Yeah, and the thing continue. You talk about freedom.
I'm
And we're doing something for Junior Biles and Joe Higgs on the 3rd of June. And Junior Biles' album is out all over the world. Support it. Jamaica, Caribbean, Europe, Africa. Yeah. Buy a copy and be happy to know that you are supporting Junior Biles, Joe Higgs, and a bunch of them that is forgotten. But we remember them. Let us do something, what we can, something righteous.
Let us do something. Let us do something.
And give thanks, school is doing something. Certified cool.
This is Cool 97 FM. It's time for your Cool Flight Pack. I'm Dan Thomas. Greetings and welcome. And the first flight that we have for you, we're at 5 minutes after 10 this morning. JetBlue Airways B61576 departs Kingston. It's heading to Fort Lauderdale. JetBlue Airways B6522 departs Mobay for Orlando at 10:21 a.m. American Airlines AA2300 out of Mobay heads to Miami at 10:35. Another flight for you, JetBlue Airways B61360 departs Kingston for New York at 10:50 a.m. American Airlines AA1349 out of Mobay heads to New York at 5 minutes after 11 o'clock. As we continue on Cool 97 FM, we're reminding all departing passengers to continue listening to us. Anywhere in the world, you can log on to our website. It is www.kool97fm.com. Now for the arrivals. We have JetBlue Airways B62357 out of Newark, arriving in Montego Bay at 8:59 a.m. Cool 97 FM welcomes all arriving passengers to our island. That was your Cool Flight Pack. Your next update will be at 3 minutes to the hour right here on Cool 97 FM.
This week, Live Tuesday on Cool 97 FM goes in the yard. May 28th from 7 to 9 a.m. Naya Bingi Meets Orchestra, featuring the indigenous, classic, and contemporary sounds of Earl China Smith and the Inna the Yard Bingi Straw Movement. Plus, hear about their Junior Biles tribute album and IBM as the world's newest genre. That's Live Tuesday, Outside Broadcast with Earl China Smith and the Bingi Straw Movement, live from Inna the Yard, St. Andrew Park. It's hosted by Dan Thomas and Michael Thompson, on air and streaming on cool97fm.com. It's brought to you by FX Trader, Ashanti Oasis Vegetarian Catering, Alcavida Alkaline Drinking Water, and Key-Mix Audio. Live Tuesday on Cool 97 FM, getting to the root of the music.
Shingles, chick V pains, and endometriosis. Call Dr. Winston Dawes today at 876-376-7735. Visit Unit 69, Winchester Business Center. Dr. Winston Dawes, relief for your chronic pain. Tell us how we're doing. Are you a satisfied, cool advertiser? There's a customer service satisfaction survey in your box right now. Look for a survey in your business email, check the boxes, tell us what you think, and then hit the submit button. It only takes 5 minutes. Help us with your feedback and help yourself win a $50,000 advertising contract on Cool 97 FM just for participating. How cool is that? Offer ends May 31. You've been listening to Earl Chinna Smith and the Bingistra Movement. And right now, I'm joined by the man himself, Earl Chinna Smith.
Mm.
Good
Blessed
morning.
Blessed morning, darling. Great.
Good morning.
Good to have cool in the yard. You know?
Ah, nice.
Good feeling.
And good morning to the Bingistra Movement. Yes. The brethren and the sistren. Good morning to our cool listeners. Welcome to Live Tuesday. I want to thank you for hosting us at Inner the Yard today. Now, we're going to just spend a few minutes speaking with you. A musical innovator, you've worked with the best of them, including Bob Marley and the Wailers. But where did your initial intrigue for music begin?
From way down there, from before you come out, kind of a process like that. Then when you come out, you come see your parents with sound system, like in a big house of joy box and steel and them things. I'm blessed with like 2 father and 2 mother. So my 2 father have sound system.
Wow.
So it kind of wrote like from there then, you know. So it was fun. Music always vibrate somewhere, yeah.
Ah. So how did this conversation between genres come to be a part of the work that you do?
Yeah, right. As a man I work with, like people look at me and say, you know, you're not rich. I have to do so much things. You understand? So this industry kind of is a sick industry because it don't take care of the great one, them. You understand? All of these people from scatterlight people come around. Everybody die poor. And you want to say, who get rich out of this thing here? So as a musician that contributes so much, you understand? I say, all of my brethren them die angry and miserable. And I say, no. I come out rejoicing and I'm heading back in that direction. Rejoicing too. You understand? So I say, how do I do it? So I say, well, boy, yeah. Christ's story was the greatest story. Because I hear about this man where he died for our sin. And him give the only thing we have. So I'm just in the process of just giving while I'm living and sharing. And I'm happy to know that Cool, certified Cool is helping in their best way. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So it's that, darling, yeah.
Okay. Now, how has been the journey for you musically in seeing the various musical genres flow through this island?
Yes, it's nice because it's nothing nice like me taking up the guitar and play with myself and play with others. You understand? So I come from a space where everybody never have no money and no play and rare. All me I concentrate on is cards and melody. And someone else I concentrate on the money. You understand? So I say, whoa, Bugs Bunny, everybody get funny and start behave away. And I say, I can't afford to behave like them. You understand? So I go amongst the elders them and find Rastafari. That's a humble set of people. You go in a Rastaman yard when I look at you, him not have nothing, but him share every little thing with him have. And I say, you know, say, that's how I want to live. And I'm living like that now today, darling.
You've been able to contribute to various genres of music. You've been in the music business for how many years, by the way?
Well, it
Formally.
was 60. I can tell you, I getting paid like from 1968.
Oh,
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. And that means, you understand, from pound days.
Which means you've crossed several genres of Jamaican music.
Thanks.
Yes.
Yeah, it's true. From
Give thanks.
Ska, rocksteady.
Yeah,
Do it there
you're
now.
making your contribution. You've made your
Yeah.
contribution,
Thanks.
full 100 to reggae. Now, Joe Higgs is seen as a pioneer in a number of ways. Talk to us about him first. What is this association that you have with Joe Higgs?
All right. So
Why have you chosen him
good
for a
question,
project?
man. Very good one, darling. All right. Joe the father. And most people don't understand why would I call him the father. I'm teach most of the one them harmonies and for play all guitar too, enough little thing. All right, so in last days, I remember him come, because we run a record store downtown named High Time for many years. And him come and say, well, boy, the Sultan want to do an album with him. You know, the Sultan is the Honorable Chris Blackwell. And I say, all right, good. So we start rehearse. We're gone like about 2-3 weeks and nothing now go on with the project. So I say, all right, Daddy Joe, me support it, yeah? You understand? So I end up with an album with him, Triumph. You know, great record, you know? So it's them way there, all right? Then I remember the first time I actually go to New York with Jimmy Cliff. Joe was in the band. So me and him toured for a while too. And, you know, when we look on the bridge and the man saw the man, they just Jamaica, I tell out some people about jokes and people, who name so? Whoa, you know. Yeah, so it was like something, yeah. So, you know, I find it important. So I did it years ago. Yeah, and yeah, one time, give thanks to the great Jimmy Tucker, 'cause he was there and him supported too, and, you know what I mean, yeah. Goodest and a couple of the elders them that know him and shadowed him from them time, them trench down people. And it was a good thing. So I say, you know, talk to him, you know, some of the family. I say the JoJo thing need to do again, you know. And them feel it too, and we're on board doing it again. And we'll make it happen every year. Don't see? All right. Don't see? All right. See that? Just like how we have the Bob Marley Day. And you know what I mean? 'Cause we have to remember them people there too. Thanks.
Now, there's a tribute that's slated for this weekend. Where will this be, when, and who will be performing, and how many persons can or who can attend?
All right, I wish I could answer all of these questions, but I know Ken Booth, same guy, and tune in, can give some name, but we're working with more our local people. Okay? Can tell you, see, most of them big name artists, it's just kind of hard to get them on board. If you don't have the you know, look at thing, the money, you understand? So I kind of avoid them and try find people who are willing. So Ken Booth come on board. Max Jerome, your son, can tune in now. We have Machuja, we have Kai Wakelin. We have Sanga Davis, a little thing too, and we have, you know, Peter from the movie, and some of that, we have the great Marlon Brown, you understand, and, you know, our people, them, and it's nice. I think we have a bad show. Yeah. Who else me left out? Help me now. Shamaya, oh, sorry, the great Shamaya.
And the great Mankind.
Yeah, Mankind. All right, so we have a list here. Kenado Ellis, yeah. Delgado, Arlene, yeah. And the great Steve Marley say him unable to be here, but him going to send a stream, and we suppose you can link him up. Give thanks, Ragga, you don't know. You support the thing like that, and we love it. Will Smith leave. But you have BSC, CC, you have the great Israel voice, which our voice can sing for we nice. Yeah. All right. Just like that.
All right.
Yeah. I Labash as radio man. Yeah.
So where will this tribute be held?
All right. Same thing. Put Christian, mommy ask the right Christian. All right, you would have liked we can get a venue, but we can't pay for them venue. So we use what we have. I realized that the Japanese them play golf on them roof. You understand? We have a bigger space than this, so we can make it happen right here. You understand? So we're talking to a beautiful neighborhood and we're getting support. You understand? And the church next to us, we can park over there. You understand? We have one little thing, but Jay guide the show, and it's beautiful.
All right, there we go. So we've had the last few minutes with Earl Chinna Smith, and we're here in St. Andrew Park as we do Live Tuesday with Earl Chinna Smith and the Bingistra Movement. This is Cool 97 FM. All right, Edson's holding things down in studio. Do we have a time check right about now? Yes, I think we do. All right, let me just check this little phone here and see what's due to be said right now on Cool 97 FM. Don't forget to look for the satisfaction survey in your inbox, all right? That's for all our cool advertisers. The offer ends May 31. We want you to be part of it. All right, so for now, we're going back to the music. Come 8:30, we have commercials, all right? So thanks again, Edson, for doing what you're doing in studio. Mikey T, on location, so too Owen, and we have Paul. And Brains. You're inside a segment of Live Tuesday brought to you by FX Trader, changing the face of foreign exchange. Don't forget PA system and audio support provided by KeyMix Audio. The mix is key. We're streaming live on KOOL97fm.com, and you can simply visit our website and click on the Live Tuesday button. We're inviting you to join us along with Earl Chinna Smith and Inna the Yard and the Bingistry Movement for Live Tuesday.
Sound
We're having on the stage right now more music from Earl Chinna Smith and Inna the Yard and the Bingistra movement. Don't forget, Cool 97 FM, commercial break at 8:30.
She was the one for me. She was the one for me. She was the one for me, and I know. Oh, yes, I know. She was the one, love sure. Poverty peeping through our door. Oh Lord, the girl, she could not take no more, and I know. Oh, I know. All right, what a strange experience. But furthermore than that, the girl, she's lost all her confidence. The very day she left, things changed a lot. Although she could not take it, I know I'm gonna make it. She was the one for me. She was the one for me. She was the one for me. And I know. Oh, yes, I Alright, what a strange experience. But furthermore than that, the girl, she's lost all her confidence. The very day she left, things changed a lot. Although she could not take it, I know I'm gonna make it. Alright, she was the one for me. She was the one for me. She was the one for me. I know. Oh, yes, I know. Yes, I know. I know. Yes, I know. I know. Yes, I
Gorman Corporation, your number one supplier for power protection devices and UPS. Call 876 536 6279. The time by Gorman Corporation is 8:30 a.m. for more information. Maljam Auto Parts. They source hard to get Mazda parts. Are you searching for a loan to cover personal expenses? Look no further. The Jamaica Civil Service Mutual Thrift Society has you covered. Thrift can provide you with a committee loan of up to $1.5 million. For more info, call 876-926-5634 to 5. Visit jcsmts.com. Email info@jcsmts.com. The nation's coolest, Cool 97 FM. And we have to remind our listeners that you are inside of Live Tuesday. You can see exactly what's happening here in St. Andrew Park as we stream live from Inna the Yard. We're spending time with Earl Chinna Smith and the Bingistra Movement. Now, remember, you can watch the live stream by visiting KOOL97fm.com and clicking the Live Tuesday tile. We have more music coming to you from the Bingistra Movement in a short while. But we're going to have a quick chat with Earl Chinna Smith, and we're also going to be speaking with Claudia C.C. Higgs. We also have to tell you that Live Tuesday goes all the way up to 3 minutes to the top of the hour. All right. So here we go now. We're going to have the first words from Claudia. Claudia, welcome to Cool 97 FM. How are you?
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Now, Claudia is the daughter of Joe Higgs, and he is literally the father of reggae music. Now, there is something that is brewing, because coming up on June 3 will be a tribute to your father. And it's being put on by the Joe Higgs Foundation Association with Inna the Yard Bingistra Movement. This is timely or long overdue, a tribute to your father. What, in your opinion, and I figured would represent the views of your family?
Well, I think it's a little bit of both.
Uh-huh.
But this started in 2011, 13 years ago.
Mm-hmm.
China and us did the same thing. It was for my father's birthday, and it will be for his birthday on June 3rd.
Okay.
And it's, why not, right?
Mm-hmm.
Why not recognize him for all the work that he's done?
Do you have any memories of your father, whether in the studio or playing music anywhere else?
Yeah, because I grew up with him.
Mm-hmm. What was that like in terms of rehearsals? Were you able to view him in concert?
Well, I remember one Christmas I went to 3 places, Regal, State, and Carib, because he would drag me everywhere to pick up our shop, to, music stuff, Christmas performances.
Oh, yeah.
So I was, all over it, but I'm his twin, right? If you can see that.
Yes, I can. Now, in terms of the years in music, reggae has evolved. We definitely have seen an evolution in reggae music. But from your standpoint, getting back to roots, because this morning we're hearing some real kind of groundation type of sounds coming out of the Bingistra movement. Where do you want to see reggae music going? Because your father is the father of reggae music.
Right.
Is it evolving in a direction you think he'd be proud of, or is there a need for us to stop and recollect and try and get back to basics?
Well, to me, it's not either or either. The music is gonna evolve. Young people are gonna come in and put their new stamp on it. People in Africa are gonna do what they want to do. But the root of the music, right, is what we're playing here.
Yes.
But we have to allow for other people to, experiment with it, and it's still reggae music. Do you know what I'm saying? Because it's a sound, right? And that's gonna always be there.
Okay, I'm going to give you this platform to encourage individuals to come on out on the 3rd,
Yes.
and be part of this movement, because what we want is for the whole of St. Andrew Park to be present. We want the far-flung reaches of our island to be present. It's a tribute definitely a tribute. And you're going to be able to follow and get more information on Cool's social media because we're sending you to IG as to where you can get additional information. We'll have the poster for the tribute concert. That will also be posted. Now, I'm going to be having a little chit chat. I'm going to have to get past this poster in order to speak with Earl Chinna Smith again on Cool 97 FM. Oh, okay. All right. You stay over there and I'll remain here. How about that? All right. Mikey, bring up the sound in his microphone. Okay, but I want to say thank you to you.
Certified.
Yeah.
Claudia Higgs, a.k.a. Cece. Cece, thanks for being our guest and all the very best.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Oh, an absolute pleasure. And nice to have met you. Yeah, nice to have met you.
Yes, thank
All
you.
right, so this time around, we've been hearing about a tribute album that's honoring the great Junior Biles and his work. Any idea, can you give us a sense of when that particular album will be out, Chino?
The Junior Biles?
Yes.
It's already out. It's
Oh,
been-
it is?
It's
Okay.
been out now almost how long now, Damien?
Last year, June.
Last June, almost
Okay.
a year now.
All right, so who are the featured artists, if any, on it?
All right, we have Malijah, we have Kai, we have Marlon Brown, we have the Inner Circle, we have a girl from the States, Jamaican, American, Kiki. Who else we have again? We have Young Israelite from Israel,
Oh.
Color Red, yeah, Freddie McGregor, Michael Rose, Delphine, French,
Yes.
from Frenchtown. And who else?
We
Help me,
remember
please.
Delphine, yes.
Yeah? Donovan Joseph, who was here and then him just disappear for whatever reason. But, we bless him wherever he is.
This is a massive project.
And who else? Come, I think I'll leave off someone. Machuja, definitely. yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, who are the people who brought it together? Because
Us, as I tell you, so
Yeah.
when we're Junior Biles, I tell you, years ago, someone do me something wrong in the industry. Now, like how, this time, people would just do it a different way. When I do it that way, I'm just going to read my Bible. Psalms 18, there's a line, so fade away. I'm going to say, and so now move, all right. You seek of only vanity, and no love for humanity shall fade away. Yeah, my brethren named Family Man, bless him soul, the great Aston Barrett. He used to have a line where every time him say, the rich get richer and the little that the poor man have is taken away. So I just use the line for the bridge. Whoa.
Wow.
And the tune it. All right, so it happened in a time when him have the song named Curly Locks. Curly Locks was a unique recording, but I never have no guitar, and a guitar me play. Scratch, mad producer, him just use a piano, a drum and a bass. Curly Locks. I'm a someone the tune there, record the same way. So I'm going to the studio. It was a session we had with him named Channel One, Jojo them. So we ready in the session. I said, no, just one little studio time for make the tune it. It not come off a Channel One tape. You understand? Yeah, and everybody thinks it was a Channel One recording. Yeah, people pirate it, left, right, and center. You understand? And all right, so the fact that Junior Biles do so many songs for so many people and rare and him in that condition. Yeah, I remember it's just like I never hear about him wife and daughter and all them things. When the project start, me hear some guy with him named Big Stone. The stone, what kind of the stone? You understand? Rare and it like him come for stone out the thing. And I said, no, him want embarrass the youth. No, Junior Biles wasn't a little rare ghetto youth. Him come from a middle class family. So whatever him experienced dream, him tried. You understand? I said, no, I'm not Junior that. So whatever I can do, my living years, I'm doing it. You understand? And rare, then when I put out the album, I think say all VP would have put it out. VP flop me big time. Yeah, I said, whoa. But the VP, them are only distributor in music. What do you, man? So we're fine. Give thanks to my brethren, Hernan, from Argentina. We support the thing. And also an ex-brethren, a brethren named Adrian Sherwood. When him come here the other day and see the whole program, you understand, him give me £500. Bless up Adrian. You understand? So people support the thing in them small way. But as me I said, as long as me alive and Junior Biles is alive, anything in my power to help him.
All right, blessings. Tactic world famous brands of tools distributed by Atlantic Hardware and Plumbing are available at our leading hardware stores island wide. Call 876-758-5583. The time by Atlantic Hardware and Plumbing, it is now 8:48 a.m. All right, so we're speaking with Earl Chinna Smith. Now, what plans do you have for showcasing the works on this album live?
All right, we're asking for support, but can we do everything already? Jamaica is really a funny place. Can you believe it had a factory for reggae music and we do have a press here, darling? You understand? So all of this thing here, we're able to get 3 vinyl album out, during COVID time until now. I know we do it. I give thanks for your strength and ours to make it possible. We have to go outside of Jamaica to get record press. So, if even I'll bring it back inside here, it's a problem. So, wow, how we solve that?
Yeah, there are some things that definitely need to be worked on.
Thanks, darling. Good. Help me.
Yes. What else should we be listening out to for it from Inna the Yard?
All right, we have this movement. So, all right, like the other day, I have this idea years ago when we put together this Inna the Yard program. Some little weird brethren, come my brethren them too, them run off with the yard. I say, all right, can you take my mango tree out of my yard? And everything that is the yard, can you move 6 St. Andrew Park and carry it to France? You understand? So, all right, so rather than get angry about the whole thing, I watch it. It was really sad, because when I look at my brethren, number go out tonight, Bo P, it was a sad, sad thing. Some Asian brethren move on, Kojo said, China, just ignore it and come with that thing named Bingistra. I said, whoa, I even love the word first time I hear it. Because Bingi is the Bingi drummer, them chip, 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 chip. And the orchestra, is the, them kind of guy that wear them white suit and them black suit and them rare, yeah. Nice orchestra, and it's work for not just guitar, Jamaica music just become drum and bass. With them say dub wise, I think dub becomes stupid now because you don't have King Tubby's and them Monday in the days where you used to do the thing. So everybody just run off with the thing. Dub no wise no more. Dub foolish. Dub stupid. No, not this time because Woolly Pan noise. It's not, it's not the engineer like the great Asbury Ruddock. Tubbies we used to put in the mixing night and scratch on them on the way. Creative when you make a rhythm and you hear it back again, you can't believe how you play it. But them not add nothing to it. All them do just kind of play with the sound, have a party with it. So, today everything kind of changed and I'm come with this thing when I'm dance all, I don't know. When me, as a little youth, I grew up, as I said, my parents have sound system. Dance hall is a venue where everybody go inside there and dance. All of this dance hall, I say, woman gather over there, some man over there. So I don't know what them over there so do. You understand? But we didn't want to find out. You understand? We just gather my drummers them and we're going to chit. I listen last year, Rastafari. You know what I mean? And then we then we laugh and we rejoice. See him make make a joyful noise unto the Most High and we'll come before His presence with singing. I know that I am that.
All right.
And I am, H-I-M. I make us. He make us and be ourselves. So
We are the sheep of His past.
we are the sheep of His past. That's how we respect the shepherd every time.
Okay.
And the word.
All right, that's Earl Chinna Smith. Now, I need to remind you that this segment of Live Tuesday is brought to you by the official caterer of Live Tuesday, the Ashanti Oasis Vegetarian Catering. Ask about the vegan veggie balls at all major supermarkets island-wide. Call 876-458-9859. FX Trader, changing the face of foreign exchange. Yvonne, bless you. Yvonne is also here in St. Andrew Park. We're going to go back to the music on Cool 97 FM. It's the final leg. So I want to say thank you to Earl Chinna Smith and the entire Inna the Yard Bingistra movement for hosting us and sharing their music and insights with us this morning. Thank you as well to Narado and Brains. Also, thank you to Mikey T, Noran, Paul Dennis, Owen Brown, Edson Johnson, Yashika Graham, and all of the rest of the Cool Airtel team members who helped to make this broadcast possible. Live Tuesdays sponsors Alcavita Alkaline Drinking Water. Improve your water, improve your health. Bottled by Health Creation Industries, White Marl, St. Catherine. Call them at 876-649-0386. FX Trader, changing the face of foreign exchange. The Ashanti Oasis Vegetarian Catering, the official caterer of Live Tuesday. Ask about their vegan veggie balls at major supermarkets island-wide. Their number, 876-458-9859. Thanks as well to Key Mix Audio. The mix is key for PA and sound support. Cool listeners, we couldn't have done it without you. Next week, Tuesday, we'll have another Live Tuesday. So until time for the flights, let's go back to the music on Cool 97 FM. Earl Chinna Smith and the Bingistra Movement.
This song is original, you know. Maybe it's George's first song, you know. It's always, so still pays to George, you know. Remember when we were youth, you know, one of the first recordings I Jamaica, yeah. You don't know. Why you? What you say, Nanny, you know. Oh, Nanny, oh, Nanny, oh, I let you go. Why did you go? Leave me all alone, baby. Please come home. Squeeze me, love me, let you know. Oh, Nanny, oh. Someday, Nanny, oh, you can go. But now, I love you so. Only in your arms, baby, let me go. Squeeze me, love me, please some more. Oh, Nanny, oh. Baby, baby, come with me. All my life's in misery. Why must you leave me and walk away? Oh, 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 Nanny, oh, Nanny, oh, I love you so, I love you so. Heaven's savings just for you. I don't know just what to do. Oh, Nanny, oh. Baby, baby, come with me. All my life's in misery. Why does he leave me and walk away? Oh, 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 Nanny, oh, Nanny, oh, I love you so, I love you so. Heaven's savings just for you. I don't know just what to do. Oh, Nanny, oh. Oh, Nanny, oh. Oh, 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 oh, Next one, which one? That's it.
Blessed to all the family. Give it up. They said the world is spinning around. I said the world is upside down. They said the world is spinning around. I said the world is upside down. How is? How is? That is why we should live together. Walking down the streets, you can see the signs. Mothering hate and cheat is so hard to find. They say the world is spinning around. I say the world is upside down. They say the world is spinning around. I say the world is upside down.
Coming up is your Cool Flight Pack on Cool 97 FM. Thank you for joining us. We're going to be going to our departures and then we'll be doing the arrivals. Okay, starting with Southwest Airlines WN929. That flight departs Montego Bay. It's heading to Baltimore at noon today. JetBlue Airways B6780 departs Montego Bay for New York. The time on that flight, 5 minutes after 12. Copa Airlines CM147 departs Montego Bay for Panama City at 12:18. JetBlue Airways B62126 departs Mo Bay for Fort Lauderdale at 12:20 p.m. Spirit Airlines NK702 departs Kingston for Fort Lauderdale at 12:26 p.m. Cool 97 FM reminds departing passengers to continue listening to us anywhere in the world. Log on to our website, won't you? It's www.kool97fm.com. Now for the arrivals. JetBlue Airways B61375 out of Fort Lauderdale arrives in Kingston at 5 minutes after 9 this morning. JetBlue Airways B6521 from Orlando arrives in Montego Bay at 6 minutes after 9. Another one, JetBlue Airways B61359 out of New York arrives in Kingston at 9:30 a.m. American Airlines AA2300 from Miami arrives in Montego Bay at 9:35 a.m. American Airlines AA1349 from New York arrives in Montego Bay at 9:54 a.m. Cool 97 FM welcomes arriving passengers to our island. That was your Cool Flight Pack. Your next update will be at 3 minutes to the hour. Thank you for joining us.
This is the nation's coolest. Cool 97 FM. This is the nation's coolest. Cool 97 FM.